Scott and Dawn, things got heated in the courtroom when the defense accused Cohen of lying about a phone call. Earlier this week, Cohen testified that he had called Trump on October 24th, 2016 to talk about the hush money payment to Stormy Daniels. One of Trump's attorneys confronted Cohen with text messages from that same day, which shows he actually called a former Trump bodyguard that night. Cohen responded, quote, "I believe I also spoke to Mr. Trump about the Stormy Daniels matter," end quote. This was after the defense repeatedly questioned Cohen about lies he's made under oath. Cohen admitted to lying to Congress in 2017, lying to a special counsel in 2018, and again in court to a judge. He's also changed his story about whether he wanted to go to Washington, D.C. once Trump was elected. And this week, a former lawyer for Cohen, Robert Costello, testified to Congress that some of this week's testimony from Cohen isn't true. Jurors were excused earlier today, so the defense could talk with Judge Juan Merchan about their first witness. The defense wants to call Brad Smith, a campaign finance law expert. Judge Merchan says Smith's testimony will have to be limited. Trump was joined in court by Republican lawmakers again, and Trump and his supporters say the timing of this trial isn't a coincidence.
The crime is that they're doing this case. This was a case that wasn't going to be done, and then when I announced I was running, they brought it up. They could have done it 7 years ago. This could have been brought 7 years ago, but they wanted it right smack in the middle of election. These are very dishonest people that we're dealing with.
Court will resume at 9:30 on Monday morning with Cohen still under cross-examination, and closing arguments are likely to start next week. In New York, Kaylee Schuyler, Fox 32 Chicago.